Hello guys, welcome to another blog. This is Car and Bikes Guide. So we are at Vishali, and here we are covering the new Honda City. So this is the black color of the new Honda City, you can see, and this time the Honda has really revamped the looks of the new Honda City. You can see a thick chrome grille is shared on the front. You can see it's looking bold this time, and these are the new crystal LED headlamps is available, and then LED DRL is also available, and this is the turn indicator, and this is also LED, and fog lamps are also LED. This is a top variant manual transmission, and chrome garnish is also available below the fog lamps, and in the center also chrome garnish is provided here at the front. You can see the full look here. So you can see the lines on the bonnet which look so amazing. The bonnet is quite big and it looks so plush and premium. Let's come to side. Here we have a 16-inch alloy wheels, and it comes with 185 by 55 R16 radial Bridgestone tires, and you can see the side profile as well. So on the window lines, chrome garnish is given on the window as well, but chrome garnish has been given till here, and there is no chrome garnish on the C pillar. You can see that, and chrome garnish is provided on the door handles too. It looks so premium and upmarket. And here is the back of the new Honda City ZX manual variant. You can see the full LED tail lamps, and these are the indicator light, and this is the back light. And here is the badging of the ZX iVTEC. So let's see about the boot. This is the 506 or 507 liters of boot space approx, and there is no boot lamp is available here. There's a toolkit is available, and here is a Bridgestone tire is available, and I guess this is a alloy which is provided with the Honda City as a spare wheel as well. I don't know whether it's a part of accessory or Honda is provided with the stock as a stock spare wheel. So this is really good if Honda is provided as a stock alloy only. So this is also a 16-inch tire which is provided with the Honda City. So this is a stop lamp. This is a rear defogger has been provided. So this is a shark fin antenna, and chrome garnish is also given on the above the tail lamps. You can see, and chrome garnish is also there on at the back, and it goes along the other end here. It looks so amazing. Here are the rear parking sensors. Look like really good, and these are the reflectors available on the both ends. You can see. So this is a full look of the Honda City. Now let's go inside. So we are here inside the new Honda City. Oh, here is the automatic transmission. So earlier I said this is a manual one, but sorry guys, this is the automatic variant. So you can see here is a touchscreen infotainment system. These are the AC convents, and it comes with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. There is a wooden finish has been given on the front, and there is a leather stitching is also available on the dashboard. It looks so premium and upmarket. And here are the placement of the tweeters at the front, and push button start is also there. These are the paddle shifters. This is for downshift, and this is for upshift. These are the indicator and headlights control. These are the wiper control, and this is the digital instrument cluster of the new Honda City. So let's see if it can get start. I guess this is we do not have keys, so we cannot start the car. But yes, this is the digital instrument cluster available. So here are the automatic climate control. Here are the charging ports are there. USB port is available. This is the automatic gear which is available. This is a 6-speed automatic gearbox, and here is the handbrake, and this is the storage space below the front armrest. This is the fixed armrest, I guess. Yeah, fixed armrest, and seats are really comfortable, and it covers you very well. And these are the controls of the cruise control, and these are the audio control. So here is the badging of Honda. So these are the LED lamps at the front. You can see that it's amazing. This is the auto dim IRVM mirror. So vanity mirror is available on the driver's side. It is available on the co-passenger side too. This is the sunroof of the new Honda City. So it's really good. It's very premium. So let's go to the back. So here we are at the back side of the new Honda City. These are the rear center AC convents. So below there is a charging slots are there, and seat is quite big, and 3 passengers can sit very easily and comfortable. And here are the LED lamps at the back. So this is a very premium car, and it's like a business class car. So you can see the front dashboard look of the new Honda City. You can see it. Window blind is also available at the back, and there are the 3 headrests available. These are fixed headrests, these are not adjustable headrests. Here is a center armrest at the back with cup holders. You can see it's amazing. So guys, this is it. The car is quite very pleasing and market. You can see the interior of the back once again, and here is the shark fin antenna. So this is the full look of the new Honda City. You can see once again. Walk around, exterior walk around, we can show you once again. You can see that this is the automatic variant, guys. This is not the manual. And here Honda has also equipped with some accessories. There is a window visor which can prevent the water going inside this, so it may damage the power windows. So this is a very useful thing to fit in the car. So here is the full look, guys. Thank you for watching the video, guys. Keep supporting, keep loving, and share this video with your friends, family and relatives. I hope I have covered many things in this video. So share your feedback and review to the video. Please keep supporting, keep loving, and subscribe to the channel. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe to it. Thank you for watching the video. Keep loving, keep supporting. Signing off. Cars and Bikes Guide. Thank you. Bye bye.